There are a lot of challenges faced by researchers today. It doesn't matter if you're doing high-level medical research or research for a high school English paper. The challenges are the same. Getting started, finding content, sifting through too much content to find what you need, and time management. In this short Canvas module, you'll learn how to use one simple tool to solve all these problems: the Ebsco Explora Search Tool. Ebsco is a valuable resource you can access right from the Utah's Online Library landing page. On here, you'll find 17 different databases compiled by Ebsco, free to you, with access to over 6,000 scholarly and trade journals. And thanks to the Explora Search Tool, you can search all 17 databases with one simple interface. To get to the Ebsco High School's interface, you'll first want to log into Utah's online library. You can get there by going to the UEN website first, uen.org. Scroll to the bottom of the page and you'll see a link directly to Utah's online library. Another way to get here from the UEN website is to go to Pre-K through 12 Education, and you'll find Utah's online library at the top of the General Resources column in the middle. Once you're in Utah's online library, the reference collection holds all the databases that you'll need for doing research. Ebsco has an elementary, middle school, and high school interface. Click on Ebsco High Schools to bring you to the Ebsco landing page. In here, you'll see 17 different databases, from Academic Search Premier all the way over to Science Reference Center, and then you'll see the all databases cross-search available here. The best way to access all of these databases from one place is to use the Explora High School's easy user-friendly interface. Click on that box to open a new tab and begin your search. Along the top, you'll always see suggestions based on the month. This recording was done in February, which is Black History Month. Scroll through to see other suggestions based on the month. Underneath, you'll find different subject areas broken out, from arts and literature all the way to science and math. Use the search bar at the top to do a quick search. If I was doing research on the Electoral College, I could type that here and click search. And Explora will bring up results from all of the databases. In this case, I got over 6,618 results. That's an awful lot of information to go through. What you can do then is from the top, either drill down by relevance, by date from newest or oldest, or if you go over on the left, you'll see that you can limit your results to full text or peer-reviewed, and there are even more options here in the Show More options. This is where you can apply all of the advanced search features, like a Boolean phrase, search terms, and limiting your results. You can also narrow down your reading level if you know what that is. So if you're new to English or struggling with your reading, you can find a lower Lexile level result. Under source types, you can look at all results, or you can narrow it down by academic journals, magazines, news, books, etc. Click Show More to see even more source types to limit. Once you've found an article that you want to review, click on it from here. This brings up the article in its full print format, viewable in the Explora window. On the far right are links for you to add it to Google Classroom, Google Drive, print, email, save it to one of your folders, etc. You can even click the plus button and then add it to Twitter, Facebook, Messenger, Pinterest, Gmail, or any of these other web services. Once you hover your mouse over the article, you'll also see the typical PDF links pop up at the top, like rotating the article, downloading it, or sending it to a printer. When you want to get back to your result list, go up to the top and click Result List. Using the search bar at the top is a basic search, but if you need to do an advanced search, click that link underneath of the search bar. From here, you'll see all of the search options that we saw before. You can search by phrase, find all of your search terms, do a smart text search, apply related words, and also search within the full text of certain articles. Good research can be a lot of work, so work smart, not hard. Use Ebsco to find the content you need when you need it. Don't waste time combing through Google and millions of hits that may or may not be valid. Use Ebsco Explorer and the advanced search features to find the right material for your research project. Check out the short quizzes and assignments in this module for more practice and tips on how to make the best use of Ebsco and Utah's online library.